you. I love you. To the moon and back. Happy Mother's Day.
دایکە تۆ ئەو بوونەوەریت کەوانە دووبارەی دەبیتەوە نەپێ ناسە دەکرێت و نەباتەش دەدرێتەوە ڕۆژی دەیکان پیرۆز.
As long as you are healthy, Mom, I have nothing to worry about. Happy Mother's Day. You are the best of the most and the top of the rest. I love you. Happy Mother's Day. Mom, you will never know how much I love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Mom, I love you so much. Thanks for everything you've given me. Happy Mother's Day.
Mom, I feel calm, secure and safe when I'm with you. That's why I want to tell you I love you so much. Having you gives me happiness. Happy Mother's Day.
دایکە تۆم زۆر خۆش دەوێت چونکە تۆ مای ئاسوودەی منی لە ژیاندا خۆشم دەوێت ڕۆژی دەکەیت لێ پیرۆز. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. You're the source of my happiness. In this life, I just wish one thing in the whole world. Just be happy and healthy. دایکە تۆ بە نرخترین دیاری خودایت بۆ من خۆشم دەوێت و ڕۆژی دایکانت پیرۆز.
Thank you seems very small to say when I think about all the sacrifices you have made for me. And I love you, dearest Mommy. Happy Mother's Day to you.
دایکە زۆرم خۆش دەوێت. Mom, I love you so much.
أنا بحبك يا أمي.
Ben seni çok seviyorum anne.
مادر دوست دارم خیلی. Jag älskar dig jättemycket mamma.